What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a power strip. I got this power strip from Amazon. In reality, my garage needs a power strip. Y'all know I have a lot of batteries. I got Ryobi. I have all types of batteries, all right? DeWalt, Ryobi. I don't discriminate against any brand, you guys. All brands are welcome to come, but guess what? You will get a honest review. So if your brand is on my channel, you're going to get an honest review. It is what it is. Sorry, but we are backed by 100% integrity. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this power strip so y'all can see it. Now, this is not a smart power strip because I was actually looking for a smart power strip, you know, one of the real long ones that usually be in the garage, the utility power strips. But I actually like the one from Lowe's. Had the Cobalt one and it looked pretty good. I like that, but this was on a deal for Amazon. And why am I having so much time opening this? The Cobalt one at Lowe's is like, I think it's like $60 or something like that. It's expensive. And the Rigid one in Home Depot is expensive. So I am not trying to go like super hard doing all that stuff, you guys. I'm just charging batteries for my drill guns and stuff. So with that being said, all I need is this. I do have the USB and the USB Type-C charger ports right there. We have our on and off right here. With that being said, I will be hooking this up through a smart system. So I do have a Fiat smart outdoor thing that I haven't reviewed yet, in which I should review next. So that way I can kind of put all the reviews together. I did get this for all of my charging purposes, okay? So when I do charge, I know the blocks be like big, but I don't have that many charger blocks. I do wish I did get one more separate, but I might do that I might get another one. All right, so that's blah, blah, blah again. Anyway, so I do like this one right here. I did like the price on it, and I think this one will be a good fit on what I'm trying to do. So I will mount this up. It does have the mounting holes on there, so I will put screws and mount it up. Stay tuned. This will definitely be featured. As a matter of fact, I will finalize this. Once I'm done everything, I will finalize this product right here. All right, so see y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, so here we are with our surge protector, and we are going to go ahead and put this up. Once again, I want this in my garage. I have my batteries and all my stuff, and I want everything on one thing. That way, instead of just getting like one strip that has like 10 things, I have different outlets on here, and we have USB stuff on here because I want to do other things, or it might be other ways to charge up things. So that's why I bought this model. And once again, link will be in the description. All right, so if you haven't seen my how to hang a mirror up video, then this is a little bit similar. So if you never known how to put these on the wall, I'm going to teach you today. First thing you need to get is blue tape, all right? Blue painter's tape. Go to Home Depot, go to Amazon, go Walmart, go anywhere. Get some blue painter's tape and put it on the back of your product like this, right? So you make a strip. Now what I did was put a strip across first and then put these two on the top. So that way when I take it off, I can take everything off, all right? And what you wanna do is just like rub your finger, make a little imprint of the little hanger mark that's in the back, all right? Same thing, grab yourself a marker, make a mark, and then you pull the part off that you overlap. So everything could come off at once. You see that? That side came off as well. Nice and simple, you guys. And that is how you find that out. Instead of playing the guess game, you could play the guess game if you want, put a little measuring tape or whatever, but this way is much easier when you need to hang your extension cord or whatever you need to hang. If you even need to hang your battery chargers or whatever, a picture, mirrors, blue tape is the way to go. Now, I believe I don't have a stud over here. So what I need to do is get anchors because I want it on this side. I don't want it on this side because I just don't want a lot of wires to cross over. So I want it on this side because this side is where basically all of my chargers and stuff is. All right, you guys, and it's up. It is not moving. I'm so happy. So if you need to know how to hang up like pictures and stuff, that's the way to do it. I'm gonna take it back off and get yourself some blue tape, you guys, blue tape. If not, I have alien tape, which is double-sided tape. I'll put a link in the description if I remember to, but yeah. Find a hole and drop down. And that's it. Now all I gotta do is hook it up to my Fiat smart outlet and hook all of my batteries up. Catch y'all in a little bit on the final review. Okay, you guys, so I am happy to announce that we hooked up the surge protector, and as well we hooked up our Fiat electric smart switch outdoor outlet, smart outdoor outlet switch thing. Yeah. So basically got this from Costco, and as you know, I got this from Amazon, and I have my batteries hooked up. I love it, you guys. I can ask Alexa to turn off batteries. When I ask her to turn off batteries, she will turn it off. If I ask Google to turn off batteries, Google will turn batteries off. I'm loving it right now. Now I can hook up all of my batteries that I want to hook up. As you know, these are bigger blocks. So 3 of these big blocks basically covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 of the big blocks covered 5 of these, and you will see that in a little bit. And yeah, so right now everything is looking good. If I want to buy another surge protector, I will buy another one, and I will hook it up to this other side. And as far as the Fiat electric, I will go over that stuff later with y'all. As far as going over the app and stuff, that's blah, blah, blah stuff. But the surge protector is done. You got your USB-C, 3 USBs. If I want to put like a little laptop stand right here, I might do that later on. So when I'm doing like auto work and I need to look up a YouTube video to see how to do something, then I will go ahead, put my laptop here and be on with it. As far as my little charger thing that I hooked up for y'all, while I was doing a little DIY, hooking up all my drill stuff up there, I want to paint that black because it's kind of an eyesore, and plus I want all of my stuff that's on my wall, I kind of want all that to be either black or some type of matte flat color. So yeah, we'll get on with that. Anyways, that will be a summertime thing because it's cold as I don't know what, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions with the surge protector, like, comment, share, and subscribe.